Hey folks, and welcome to week number 6. Okay, so this week, hoping we can finish our research discussion. I want to come back to that and talk about that in just a second. Okay, um, other than that, really, our work this week is to write our essay. Okay, so summarize and paraphrasing. This is just a review. Also, we've got just a quick review to MLA Works Cited page and in-text citations here, just as a reminder again for that citation stuff, and then a sample essay 2 and the draft. So that's really just our work for this week. I want you to be working on doing the actual writing. Now, this research discussion, we started in Google Docs, right? Your group has had a Google Doc. I want to talk a little bit about this in class today, but I want people to start transitioning from what are the differences between these studies to how do those differences account for what we're seeing? Okay. And so my goal here is that you guys will use the Google Doc to discuss, and then one of you in your group will come and post some final answers to the discussion board. Okay. So finish discussing in your Google Doc, and then identify one person who's going to come and just add your answer to the discussion board. Okay? Any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to let me know.